everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you iOS 16.0.3. As you can see, I do not have a circle with a number in it, but it is out. So if I click software update, there we go. So this is iOS 16.0.3. So here's what it does. It says this update provides fixes and important security updates for your iPhone. Incoming call and app notifications may be delayed or not delivered on the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. What happens is basically your phone does not receive the call right when the call is made from somebody else. That could be a very dangerous thing. It says low microphone volume can occur during CarPlay phone calls on iPhone 14 models. That means that the volume is set really, really low and you can't adjust it. It says camera may be slow to launch or switch between modes on the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. And it says mail crashes on launch after receiving malformed email. A malformed email is basically a corrupted email. Now, this update is for the iPhone 14, basically. Obviously, I'm running on an iPhone 11, and I am going to update it. Now, what I learned from this stuff is if stuff like this is out, you want to update even an older model to that, so that way, let's say you try to call a friend or a family member and they're running an older version, it may lead to problems. So we'll go here. There we go. I had to turn that off because earlier I was somewhere and I didn't want it to update. So I'm going to click download and install. I'm going to click use cellular data just in case. Ooh, I have to remove certain things. Okay, so what you do in this case is I'm going to have to remove some stuff. And I'll be back in a second. Alright, so I removed some applications. As you can see, that update is 900 megabytes, which is actually a lot for a phone update. So it says about 8 minutes remaining. There we go. So 6 minutes remaining. So what's going to happen is the same as the last time. It's going to say preparing update, and then it's going to update automatically. Now, this is the first time I have seen to where the update is geared toward the newer version of the hardware. Most of the time, it's geared toward the older version of the hardware. In this case, that means that 16.2 caused a lot of issues with the iPhone 14. And yes, I will update this on my iPhone 10 as well, aka the iPhone X. And what CarPlay is, for those that don't know, there is a radio that you can get that basically runs iOS, and you can install it and you get Apple CarPlay. You can get you pair your phone to it, and there's a phone icon on there, and when you click that and you dial a phone number, it uses your phone. At some point, I will install Apple CarPlay in my car, actually. That'll be later down the road due to certain reasons. But back to this. So we have a minute left. So if you have an iPhone 14, update immediately. So we have 32 seconds left. And it'll say preparing update. There we go. So it says preparing update. So this will take a while, and I will come back when it is all done and updated. Okay, the update is done. So we are going to go to About, and there it is. iPhone, that's the name of my phone. iPhone 11. There we go. So that's it. So now what we do is you go to Software Update, and there we go. So everything is up to date. So with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.